Hello, my name is William French, and we're making homemade macaroni and cheese. Ingredients: evaporated milk, 1/2 stick of butter, Velveeta cheese, 2 types of shredded cheese, salt and pepper, and penne noodles. Step 1. 1. Get a stock pot 6-quart out and put it on the stove and pour water into it. Turn the temperature to a 4 on the stove and wait till it gets to a boiling point. When it gets to a boiling point, you may pour the penne noodles in there. Step 2. You need to drain the noodles in a strainer. Put them back in the pan and turn the stove on 1. Then put half a stick of butter in the pan and stir it until it melts. Pour some evaporated milk and continue to stir. Part 3. Add some shredded cheese and stir it till it's creamy. Add milk and stir it if it's not creamy enough. Then add a half of the Velveeta cheese in the pan. Do cut this part. Don't just put a stick of Velveeta cheese. Cut it up, put it in the pan. Do take your time and cut the Velveeta cheese. Part 4. Preheat the oven to 400. Spray the pan that you're going to use a glass rectangle container to put in the oven. And spray Pam on it. And then you can pour the mac and cheese in there. Put a dash of pepper in there. If you want salt, put some salt, but put a little dash of pepper for some flavor. And put in the oven. Once you put in the oven, you need to put the timer on for 25 minutes. And watch it. If it gets golden brown on the side, that's fine. I'll let you know it's about ready. And take it out when it's done. And then test it and then take a bite.